Hi, my name is Christina and this is a Joice crochet tutorial. In this guide I will show how to make a magic ring. A magic ring is an easy way to start round crochet projects. This technique provides a smooth start to a circle and prevents getting a hole in the center. The ring is made up of two parts, an adjustable loop and several single crochets that are worked into the loop. In one of my upcoming videos, I'll demonstrate how to follow a diagram to keep expanding the circle. I hope you would subscribe to the channel and give a like if you enjoy guides like this. Let's get started. Take the thread and position it like this. The thread should cross itself as you wrap it around your hand. Grab your crochet hook. Stick it under the first thread, hook the second thread and pull back. Turn the crochet hook half a turn clockwise to form a loop. Notice my thumb and index fingers. The working thread leading to the spool should not move while you hold it. Hook the working thread and pull it through the loop on your hook. We have now completed the first part. This is the magic ring's adjustable loop. Single crochets must now be worked into the ring. Check your pattern or chart to determine how many you need to crochet. In this guide, I will show the next part with 6 single crochets. Insert the hook into the ring, hook the working thread and make the first single crochet. Make 5 more single crochets into the ring. We have now made 6 single crochets into the ring. Pull the end to tighten the ring and seal the hole. Insert the needle into the first stitch we made at the beginning and make a slip stitch. And that's how easy it is to make a magic ring. Thank you for watching.